If the Gold IRA setup feels like a maze of steps and paperwork, you're not alone. Here's how to see the whole process clearly, from start to finish. When you first hear about a Gold IRA, the setup might sound complicated. Custodians, transfers, storage, but it's actually a straightforward process once you see it mapped out. In this guide, there is a simple 5-step breakdown. First, connecting with your customer success agent. Second, opening your self-directed IRA account. Third, transferring funds from your current retirement account. And then fourth, choosing your precious metals. And lastly, getting confirmation of your purchase. Seeing it in this order removes the guesswork. You know exactly who you will be talking to, what forms you will need, and when each step happens. I'll link this one in the description so you can follow along. This walkthrough is from the Welcome to Augusta Guide, which is part of Augusta's free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. There are 8 PDFs in total. Each one covers a different part of the decision-making process, so you're never left wondering what comes next. If you want the full bundle, you can download it for free. It's beginner-friendly, step-by-step, and will help you move forward with confidence without feeling lost in the details. Check out the link in the description.